There's nothing more beautiful than a sunny Florida beach. Our beaches draw millions of vacationers and attract more and more retirees every year, bringing millions of dollars into the state, county, and city coffers. Protecting, preserving, and rebuilding our beaches has become a recurring billion-dollar expense. Each year, the state, counties, and cities spend billions of dollars maintaining our beautiful coast, yet each year, storms, rising sea levels, and erosion wash more and more sand away, creating critically eroded beaches. The threat is so real, trucks are bringing sand into the coast from inland locations to try and stop the loss of the beachfront. What if there was a scientifically proven system, a permanent way to immediately stop erosion and let nature rebuild the beach without ever having to dredge or ship sand in from other locations ever again? Imagine turtles and other sea life won't ever have to fear being sucked up and ground up by dredging machines, or buried alive when sand is dumped and then bulldozed around the coast. Inland areas won't need to be mined for seacoast reconstruction. Environmentalists and taxpayers alike will rave about how you saved your district millions of dollars in tax revenues, which could now be used to reallocate to schools, infrastructure, and any other programs desperately in need of funding. Your legacy with your family, children, and grandchildren will be carved in stone as a lover of nature and a financially astute legislator. You hold in your hands the beginnings of your solution to the massive beach erosion being experienced in your district. My name is Kurt Heide. I'm the CEO of EnviroShore Systems. We want to work with you to reverse beach erosion and rebuild your beaches using nature's own wave energy. Our systems are environmentally friendly and scientifically proven to immediately stop beach erosion once installed. Our designs let Mother Nature rebuild the beach using her own ocean currents. The system continually works against the effects of hurricanes and even rising oceans, so no further building or rebuilding of a beach is necessary ever again, saving tens of millions of dollars year after year. And one of the biggest benefits is that time and nature bury everything under the sand, so that there's no obvious signs our system is there and working. I know this sounds too good to be true, saving billions of dollars for your constituency, using a proven system which is both economically sound and environmentally safe, helping nature and humans alike? But it's true, thanks to modern technology and science. Would you like to know more? Simply click on the QR code, go to our website, or simply give us a call and set up an eye-opening appointment. You'll be glad you did.